Hey guys, what's going on? Boostly here with another quick and easy tutorial. This time, how to remove your front fog lights on a Toyota GT86. Now to do this job you will need to remove the front bumper. There's a video on this also on my channel, or you can find it on screen or in the link below. Now to remove the fog lights around, you'll notice there's a number of tabs on the back. Some of these need to be pushed down or forward, the others need to be lifted up. And if you apply a little bit of pressure, it should just pop straight forward. I don't recommend trying to remove these from the front, you will only end up damaging the bumper. Take it off and do the job properly. To remove the fog light itself, there are two screws holding it in, and the other two tabs simply slot into two holes in the side. So undo the screws and pivot it to one side and it should just drop straight out. If you're wondering how to take out your indicator bulb, it's a simple quarter turn anti-clockwise, and the fog light bulb you squeeze the two tabs at the top and the bottom to remove. Whilst I had the fog lights out, I tinted them green. You can also find a video on my channel how to do this too. I hope these straight to the point videos are helpful. If you want to see more quick and easy tutorials, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and let me know what else you'd like to see in the comments. Peace out.